How often should I use face wash and scrub?
Hello and welcome to our skincare tutorial. Today we'll dive deep into understanding the optimal use of face wash and facial scrub. It's a question many of you have asked. How often should I use a face wash and scrub? Let's demystify these fundamental aspects of skincare routine, shall we?
How often should I use face wash?
Face wash is a part of the daily skincare routine for most people. The general recommendation is to use a face wash twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Why? Washing your face in the morning helps remove any sweat and oils that may have accumulated on your skin overnight. And washing it again at night ensures you remove all the dirt, makeup, and pollution that your skin has accumulated throughout the day. Remember, overwashing can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation, so avoid washing your face more than twice a day unless you've been sweating heavily.
How often should I use a facial scrub?
While face wash is a daily routine, facial scrubs should be used a bit more sparingly. These products exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells, but overuse can result in damage and irritation. For most people, it's enough to use a facial scrub 1 to 2 times per week. However, if you have particularly sensitive skin, you might want to cut this down to once every 2 weeks.
What's the best way to use face wash and scrub?
The first step in your skincare routine should be to use a gentle face wash. Apply it on your wet face in a circular motion, rinse it off, and pat your face dry. On the days you decide to use your facial scrub, apply it after you've washed your face, using gentle circular motions to massage it into your skin. Afterward, rinse thoroughly and pat your skin dry. Always follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. And there you have it. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so these guidelines might not work perfectly for everyone. It's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns about your skincare routine. Cleansing your face twice daily and exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week is a general rule of thumb that can help keep your skin fresh and healthy. But remember, always listen to your skin and adjust as needed. Until next time, stay radiant,